Good evening, everyone. My name is Franz Joseph B. Macato, and I am currently a first-year college student pursuing a degree in hospitality management. It's a pleasure to be here with all of you today, and I am excited to share with you a little bit my journey, my goals, and the path I'm working toward in this amazing field. Let me start by telling you a little about myself. I live here in Sampaloc, Manila, small town and a big city. My mother is a medtech student graduated in CEU, and my father is graduated at San Sebastian College as electrical engineering. Ever since I was young, I've always had a deep interest in how business cater to people needs, especially in the hospitality industry. The first time I walked into a hotel lobby or dine-in restaurant, I couldn't help but notice the organization and care that went into making each guest feel welcome and special. Today, as a first-year student, I am still in the early stages of my journey. My days are filled with learning about the ins and outs of this industry. Whether it's customer service operations or event management, I am still starting to shape my career, and while I'm not where I want to be yet, I am proud of progress I've made so far. Now, if I think about my ideal self, I picture myself as a successful professional in the hospitality industry. Maybe managing a luxury hotel or running my own restaurant one day. I envision being a leader who not only meets the exceed customer expectations, but building teams that are motivated and driven to deliver exceptional service. In my ideal world, I would be someone who inspires others to join hospitality industry. Someone who brings out the best in others. I see myself engaging with guests, providing innovative solutions and creating unforgettable experiences. But more than that, I picture myself constantly learning and growing, adapting to new trends and technologies while always staying true the core values of service and respect for others. However, I also know that in order to become the person I want to be, I have certain responsibilities. My old self is the version of me that must meet specific standards and follow certain guidelines. That includes dictating myself, my studies, learning both theoretical and practical knowledge, and constantly improving my skills in communication, leadership, and problem solving. I ought to be disciplined in my approach to time management, and I should focus on building a strong network with my peers and professors. I also need to work on my ability to handle stress and ensure that I am always striving for excellence even when face challenges. My goals. So let's talk about my goals. My goal is to graduate with honors in hospitality management, and within the next 5 years, I hope to be in a managerial position at a hotel restaurant where I can lead a team and make a meaningful impact on both businesses and the guests we serve. 1. Reasons for wanting this goal in my life. I want this for my life because I am passionate about making people's experiences memorable. The joy I get from seeing customers' face light up when their needs are met is something that motivates me. I also see hospitality as a career that allows me to combine my love for helping people with my interest in business. 2. How certain I am to achieve it. I am highly confident that I will achieve this goal. I believe in my ability to learn, adapt, and overcome challenges. I have already started laying the groundwork by excelling my courses, gaining practical experiences through internships, and engaging with industry professionals. 3. For whom will I share the fruits of my goal? The fruits of my goal will be shared with my family, mentors, and the people I work with. I owe much of my success to the support I've received from my loved ones. Eventually, I also hope the mentors others and share the knowledge and experiences I gain along the way. 4. When will I complete it? I plan to complete this goal within 5 years after graduation, I guess. Hopefully. This timeline is ambitious, but I know that with hard work and dedication, it is achievable. Number 5, external obstacles. As with any journey, there are external obstacles I might face on the way to my goal. Let me share 3 of them with you. The first obstacle is financial challenges. College tuition and living expenses can be overwhelming at times. To overcome this, I plan to apply for scholarships, participate in the part-time work that related to my field, and manage my finances carefully to reduce unnecessary costs. The second one is gaining real-world experience in this industry like hospitality. Hands-on experience is critical. I might encounter challenges in securing internships or positions at top-tier companies. To solve this, I will actively network, apply for internships, and look for opportunities at various establishments, for small boutique hotels to large resorts. The third one is the competition in the job market. The hospitality industry highly competitive, with many aspiring professionals seeking similar positions. To stand out, I will work on developing special skills such as proficiency in hospitality software, language skills, and leadership trainings. I've also identified some bad habits that might delay my progress towards my goal. Procrastination. Sometimes I delay tasks until the last minute, which affects my productivity. To solve this, I will create a better time management and use reminder to stay on track. Lack on focus. I can sometimes lose focus during long study sessions. To improve, I will break tasks in smaller segments and take regular breaks to maintain my concentrations. Overthinking. I tend to overthink decisions, which can lead to unnecessary stress. To address this, I will work on making decisions more quickly and trust in my preparations and instincts. And lastly, to achieve this goal, let's assume I've already achieved my goal. I look back and feel proud of the journey, the hard work, the sacrifices, and the late nights paid off. I've grown into a confident and capable professional, leading a team that delivers exceptional experiences to every guest. This goal has been worth every ounce of efforts, and I know that I am the right place, doing what I was always meant to. About conclusion, as I conclude, I want to thank you all for listening. I hope my journey resonates with you and encourage you to think about your own goals. And I encourage you to think about your own goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes dedication, resilience, and the willingness to learn from mistakes. If you ever feel like giving up, just remember why you are started. I leave you with a quote by Walt Disney: "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." Thank you once again, and I look forward to sharing my progress with you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe my journey and click the notification bell if you're interested in the following growth. Goodbye and have a great day.